Simugaw tayo ng enjoy lang. Kasi si Babay, okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Ako lang nag-enjoy eh.
Sobra ka naman.
Sa ahon nag-enjoy lang.
Ahon kami.
Come on, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Siya nag-enjoy.
Sabi ko, enjoy lang. Hindi sila makasigaw ng enjoy lang. Me, pang forma mo dyan. Forma mo dyan. Me. Okay, right now, dito naman kami sa Edgewood.
Merong spare pin na nabibili.
We're going to Cañada Road.
Pwede naman din.
We go inside Filoli, and
Mahirap talaga.
on the left side, the Cañada Road all the way to Robert. And my first time to use my recumbent e-trike on this trail. Okay, magre-restroom muna kami. Good morning, folks. How you doing today? It's a lovely and cold weather today. Wow, we're here at Cañada Road. First stop will be the restroom. Okay, with me is the bike repairman, Dennis, and also Baba. Dennis, okay pa to kasi pababa?
Ha?
Okay pa kasi pababa.
Ay,
Mamaya pa rin. Mamaya yari ka na.
yari na ako mamaya.
Oh yeah.
Ang lamig, di ko maano eh.
Ang lamig.
Yan na po, binisa po, ang lamig eh.
Woo! This is Pulgas Water Temple, yun ba yun? Nanas! Ala, dumiretso si Dennis. Ikaw talaga, oh. Kumusta? How are you?
Good, I'm good.
Very good.
Yeah.
How's your ride?
Oh, I arrived from Sunnyvale. Yeah.
You started at
Yeah.
Sunnyvale?
Yeah, I start at Sunnyvale here.
Wow.
So, well, this open?
I know. We're trying to go inside.
Yeah, I was
But-
wondering too.
I think they opened again.
Goodness. Bike, huh?
Yeah, that's e-bike.
Yeah. Look,
Yeah.
mine is also an e-bike. See?
Oh, I see.
I also have a battery.
Yeah. How'd you bring your bag?
Like, our snack.
Oh, snack. All right.
Yeah, for my company,
Ah.
Because we're using the road bike. Me, I'm using.
Yeah. I think the road bike's better.
Oh,
Yeah, but the road bike can carry.
can
cannot.
carry like
Yeah.
like us. See?
All right. You want stuff? Just some get some curry from it.
What is that?
Oh,
Yeah.
You can-
We're fine. We'll try.
Hmm.
Just a little. Okay, that's it.
Yeah.
Oh, that's Caesar. Caesar. No, that's a nut. What's your name?
I'm Jack. Jack.
Jeff.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm Edwin.
Anyway.
Edwin, Caesar, and our company is coming. Benny.
Oh.
Oh, it is also folding.
Yeah. Hold on.
That's good.
Yeah.
This one is also folding, but it's not that. What happened to you? We're calling you Danny. How about you? They keep on pedaling. You know, you gotta going all the way to
Yeah.
airport and then more. Sierra Point or no more?
No. Yeah. My friend of this maybe.
There's a sticker.
Oh, Edwin.
Jeff is checking out my YouTube channel now.
All right. I'm exciting to show on your video.
Sure. You're gonna be on my YouTube channel, Jeff, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Very good.
Jeff
very
is
good.
okay. We're gonna include him on this vlog.
Yeah.
All right?
All right. See you.
Nice meeting you, Jeff.
Nice to meet
Okay,
you.
now I'm gonna set this on a turbo because they're already far. Your also has a turbo?
Yes.
Like turbo, huh? This one has also a turbo.
All right. All right.
I can catch them, man. See, I set it up on a turbo. There. Okay,
All
Jeff.
right. Good luck.
Ride safe, huh, Jeff?
Oh,
Thank you, buddy.
bye.
Bye-bye. All right. Oh, hold on. I forgot my sunglass. Good morning.
Morning.
Antayin natin si Baba. Antayin natin dito. Kasi ano yun eh. Paunahin natin. Go!
Pigo.
Alright, let's go. Oh my goodness, mukhang bumigay ah. Oh, umano na naman oh. Umi-straight. Yung derailleur mo, naka-straight. Sabi mo, buti di ka tumumba, brother.
Pwede ako magkaganon. Oo.
Ano nangyari?
Hindi, pag ilagay ko dito, sige.
Oh, dumidiretso.
Kasi itong big ito, tsaka ito, hindi naman meant na magka-shake.
Oo, hindi pwedeng ganon. Hindi pwedeng dulo-dulo.
Ito, dito, itong pagbababa, gagamitin niya to, doon kayo sa baba.
Sa baba.
O, ano may, yun na nga. Sige.
Baba mo na lang kasi, yan. Huwag mo na ilalagay sa taas.
Kung gusto yung heavier, dito na lang ibaba kung gusto nyo sa smaller chain.
Oo. Huwag na ron.
Bababa na ako dyan sa Ha?
Bubuelo siya. Hindi siya makasasakay.
Akala ko, ano nangyari yun?
Hindi ba? Sasakay siya rin pababa.
Okay.
Tapos iikot dito. Hindi makakasakay si Baba rito. Si Baba, mo dami seremonyas. Oh yeah. What happened? Huh? Dennis!
Patasin doon, mahina yun. Sige ka.
Sabihin ko.
Pataas na yun eh.
Sige, habulin ko.
Paborito.
Ihi ka lang? Ikaw talaga, kala ko kung nangyari sa'yo. Ihi lang pala siya eh. Wala si Baba, umihi. Kaya, pwede ka huminto rito. Yeah. Pinahabol ka niya sa akin eh. Sabi mo, habulin mo si Dennis, mataas naman yun eh. Ang layo mo na sa pababa. Bakit ka huminto? Iihi pala siya. Dito tayo. Kasi baka may dumaan dyan. Wow! Pang forma mo dyan. Forma mo dyan.
Teka rito ako eh.
Taga rito ka ba? Oh my goodness. Taga rito ka pala. Ano ba yan?
Teka.
Okay, we're here at Roberts Market. Nakita mo ba yun, Dennis? Naipon yung mga kotse sa likod.
Talaga ng content friend ka, bilisan mo.
Woo, this is cool, man.
Nagta-traffic sa likod.
Nakikita ko rito eh. Uy, punong-puno na.
Ang haba.
Ang haba.
Ang laki. Turbo mo na.
Yan. Tinurbo ko na kaya.
Ano sabi ko turbo?
Pag lumiliko ako, nakaganyan na ako. Woo, this is cool, man.
May nakita ko yung isa, sana sinamahan mo yun.
Alin?
Naka-recumbent din.
Ay, di ko napansin.
Kumanang sa
Ano, mag-left turn siya?
Ice Mountain.
Oo, di ko napansin. May naka-recumbent. Eto na, this is it. The temple. Water temple. There you go. Wow, this is it, ha? Sobra ka naman. At least parang nakaano lang tayo. Yung wala tayong kalam-alam kung nagkukwentuhan lang tayo. Yan.
Ay, yung tingin ko dyan sa camera mo,
Huwag
pagkain
kayong titingin, huwag kayong titingin. Huwag kayong titingin sa camera.
Hindi, ang tingin ko nga dyan, yung pagkain eh.
Ang tawag mo rito, brother? Water, temple gas? Temple water?
Polgas Temple.
Brother,
Ang history nito,
Pulgas Temple. Right now we're here at the Pulgas Temple. Here at Cañada Road.
Pulgas dito. Pero walang pulgas dito.
Walang pulgas.
ang history natin yung dati dito.
Aha. Ha?
Gusto mo bang i-ano ko yung details?
Yeah, dapat i-ano mo yung details sa amin para alam namin ang history. Okay? Once again, I want to thank you for visiting my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. At kung sinisipag kayo, kuha na rin kayo ng comment, like, and share. Subscribe nyo na din. Maraming salamat po.